Hi all, welcome to my quick guide on how to get free access to Audible Credits on your iPhone. Now, if you're anything like me and you love to read but don't always get the time to do so, having access to audiobooks and more specifically free credits is a great way to replace that either out walking or in the car. So the guide today is going to show you how to install the modded Audible app. You can see there on my screen. Now this guide's for an iOS Apple device, but you can also do this on Android. First thing we need to do is just do the preparation steps. So if you go into settings and into general, and we're looking for background app refresh. So once you click into that, you'll see I've got ticked there Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, if you're in the States, it'll be Wi-Fi and cellular data, but as long as that's checked. And then we can click back into settings. And this time we're looking for battery. So click into your battery and just make sure that the low power mode is switched off. Okay, so that's preparation done. The next step is to go to Safari, and hopefully you can see the link on the background in my screen. But I'm going to type it in here. It's getmods.cc. Okay, and click to go. Now this starts the mod process. So we got a list of apps there. We're looking for Audible, which is second. If you can't find Audible, just click on search and search for it, but ours is right here. So we'll click that and then we'll click to start the process. Now this process only takes a few seconds, but it does require you to install 2 free apps as part of the process. Now, though from those apps, you can keep them on your phone, you can delete them afterwards, but as long as you install them, that's all you're required to do. Okay, almost finished. Okay, there we go. And you can see, hopefully, yes, this is the Audible one, and you can see the instruction there about the 2 free apps. So you can pick any apps from this list to install. I'm going to just pick the top 2. So first one is Norton. So I click on free, I click to get started. It'll direct me to the App Store, and then I simply download the app as normal. That's moving quite quickly. We won't open that for now. I'm just going to go back into Safari and I just choose a different app now to install. So we'll go for the second one, the free prints. Get started. Again, open. Same process as before. We'll download it from the App Store. That's us nearly finished. Okay, again, we don't need to open it. We just go back. And once you click in Safari again, the next step will be to actually install the Audible modded app. So that completes the process, and then you can log into your Audible account as normal. The next thing we need to do is just, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking it, and we'll speak to you again soon. Thank you. Bye.